Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour and the eggs. Gradually add in the milk and water, stirring to combine. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Cook the crepe for about 2 minutes, until the bottom is light brown.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because they are quite thin, crepes tend to be low in calories. Crepes are lower in calories than other breakfast items. 2 scrambled eggs provide 140 calories, while an American-style pancake with a diameter of just 4 inches contains 94 calories.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.